the ocean creatures are very bizarre.
How about those giant squid that they found on that oil tanker?
One come through.
Giant squid. So it's in the Gulf of Mexico. They caught it at a depth of 7,800 feet. They spotted this thing with these insane long appendages. Look at this.
Oh, whoa. Yeah, that's different. That's not what I thought you were talking about.
Look at the fucking length of those. What are those things that dangle from it? What'd you call those things?
Tentacles? Legs?
Tentacles, legs. What is it? But look at the legs on it. It's like an insect.
Yeah, that's very bizarre.
The thing was enormous. It was really long. So strange. And this, before they got this video footage of it, they didn't even know something like this was real.
And there's like a lot of those where you get these deep sea cameras and you're like, oh, there's a species we haven't ever documented before.